7:10, and I have 3 pieces of homework to finish. Jeez. Really? The computer's still loading? Setting the computer is so annoying. I'll just read. What's that smell? What the heck? I knew I smelled something. Maybe it's just a cup of coffee. Oh, no, that smells like coffee. Ew. Maybe it's a cat litter. No. Mom, are you playing a trick on me? Mom, are you farting? What are you doing? It's weird she's not in here. Wait.